Today's enterprise identity strategy starts with trust. Users are logging in from everywhere, at different times, and your organization relies on Okta to ensure secure access to critical systems. But there's one system that's often left behind, the mainframe. And that gap can create unnecessary risk. The BMC AMI Enterprise Connector for Okta closes that gap, extending Okta's multi-factor authentication directly to IBMZ. No workarounds, no separate tools, no changes to your applications or JCL. Now, users can log into the mainframe using the same Okta experience they already trust. Whether it's a push notification, passcode, it's all the same. This provides a consistent authentication policy across all platforms, from cloud to mainframe. It also means your security team has fewer tools to manage and fewer silos to audit. You'll benefit from tighter control over who can access your most critical systems, while at the same time you'll be accelerating zero-trust initiatives, meeting compliance requirements, and reducing your operational risk. And because we built it for real-world use at scale, it's already delivering value inside BMC itself. With a lightweight install and no impact to your existing workloads, it's a fast, secure way to modernize mainframe access without disruption. Ensure your most important systems aren't your most vulnerable. BMC AMI Enterprise Connector for Okta, bringing enterprise-grade identity to the mainframe.